Hi! Welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to adjust maximum zoom level on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the zoom. Then in this part, in the zoom section, scroll down and go to maximum zoom level section. As you will see, there's a button for the adjustment of the zoom level. If you want to increase the zoom level, just drag it to right, just like this. And as you will see that the zoom level is increasing. And if you want to reduce or decrease the zoom level or the maximum zoom level, just drag it to left opposite to the increased level, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully adjusted the maximum zoom level on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!